Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and I'm going to show you how to cook sausage patties. So I'm not putting this on a high heat. Of course, I am using a gas stove, and I am using my Ninja Never Stick Premium, and you can find it linked within this video's description. But I put it over a medium heat, and then I just get a little doohickey here. This little thing, see, and I've got some butter under there. Not a lot of butter, surprisingly, but just a little bit of butter. Just kind of move that butter around, let it melt all over the skillet here. This skillet, like I said, you can find it linked within this video's description. Actually, I've linked the entire cookware set there. It's phenomenal. It doesn't stick. It cooks perfectly. Everything I cook in this thing is awesome. And it's dishwasher safe. And you could even put this sucker in the oven. How cool is that? So the thing with sausage patties, obviously you got to have your sausage patties well done to be safe to eat, but you don't want to burn them. And where a lot of people make a mistake when they're cooking sausage patties is they put their heat up too high, whether you're using a gas stove like I use or a traditional stove. They put the heat up too high, and it burns the sausage. So you can see here now things are starting to cook. I just like to move them around, you know, keep it interactive, man. Have fun cooking the sausage and getting hungry while I look at this. See, I don't really do a lot with biscuits, so I'll just eat these sausages straight up. Maybe dip them in some mustard. I'll make a homemade mustard sauce that I use for my pork butt. It's also delicious on sausage patties. Or you can eat the sausage patties without anything on them. See, look at this. See, just, you know, keep going. This isn't a rush. You know, you put it in here high heat, you're going to burn it, and it's going to stink up the house, and it's not going to be good. See that? See, they're starting to change color now. So just a gentle flip here. Posted a video many years ago how to cook sausage patties, and actually performed well, but I wanted to post this follow-up video how to cook sausage patties because, well, I've cooked thousands of sausage patties since I filmed that last video. So I just wanted to post a follow-up, and you know, not only am I showing you how to cook sausage patties, but I'm showing you how awesome this skillet is. I mean, non-stick. We've got a good even heat distribution here. Now, what you want to do is you're going to want to start to brown your sausage patties, because you're going to see as we can continue to cook. Let me grab a plate. Just so it's ready when the sausage is ready, but I'm not speeding this up or anything. You know, you'll watch a lot of videos. People are like, man, this is how to cook sausage patties, and then they speed it up, and it's like, okay, well, that's how they cook sausage patties, but since they sped up the video, I don't have a realistic expectation for how long it may take. Within this video, I'm showing you every flip of my sausage patties. So I'm not speeding anything up. You know, if you're in a hurry, go do something else. You know, maybe cooking sausage isn't for you. But if you want to learn how to cook sausage patties perfectly, I mean, this is it, man. I mean, when you notice, I just put a minimal amount of butter because this skillet's so awesome. Just a minimal amount of butter in there, and I just like to move them around, you know, keep it interactive, pass time. See, now you're starting to see them brown up. See the little brown spots. Well, like I said, if you think you're going to put your skillet on high heat and accelerate the process, all you're going to do is burn it. And you're going to stink up your house too. So just, you know, this heat like I've got here, you know, like I said, on my gas stove, it's about a medium heat. But man, sausage patties are good. I remember when I could get a pack like this for less than $1. Now it's a lot more expensive. Used to eat a lot of bacon, but bacon became too expensive, even the turkey bacon. And even bologna, man. Bologna now is like, dude, it's like, why is bologna so expensive, bro? But these sausage patties, they get the job done. I get my delicious meat for breakfast. And I cook it myself, you know, like I said, this video is how to cook sausage patties. If you're watching this, it's like, man, why is this guy posting this video? Well, people want to know how to cook sausage patties, and this is how I cook perfect sausage patties. What I feel are perfect sausage patties. You ever go to a fast food restaurant and get poor quality sausage patties, and then you bite into it and it's not done? Ugh. That's why you cook your own sausage patties, because you control the cook, man. See, I'm in control of this cook. It smells good. It's just making me so hungry. All I drink is water, unsweet tea, and freshly ground coffee black. That's it. Well, on the weekends I drink rum. But, yeah, look at that. See, now you're starting to see the browning. Not the Browning 50 caliber, the browning of the sausage. Okay, here it goes. See, they're really starting to make some noise now. It's like, man, we're almost ready. Not yet. And see, you gotta have your sausage well done. But, you know, like I said, this video is not sped up. This is real time. So you're seeing this coloration change in real time. And actually, if you want to, after you watch this video in real time, if you want to rewatch it and speed it up, then you can rapidly see the color change. And you know what I may do? Why not? After this video, towards the end of this video, I'll do like a time lapse of this sausage cooking, so you can see, you know, right out of the refrigerator the color that it was, and then once it's done, the color that it was. So if you're the type person who doesn't like to watch cooking sausage step by step, you know, you can watch that time lapse as well. So I haven't edited this video yet, obviously, because I'm filming it right now, but yeah, I'll do that. I'll do a time lapse of sausage patties cooking in my Ninja Never Stick Premium Skillet. And like I said, you can find that link within this video's description. I know I keep talking it up, but just look at what a good job it's doing. I mean, this is, see, now we're starting to get browning throughout. Flip them periodically. You see what I'm doing. I mean, I don't want to leave them on one side too long. And it's easy with sausage to say, oh man, I burned it, man. If you start to see this browning, but you'll see how it all balances out here. Watch this. See, look at that. It is looking good. And so you can kind of rub it around, twist it around in that butter, it's there. Get the edges. Okay, what else is good in this skillet is a pork chop. Shrimp are good. Look at that. See, it's starting to get that color that you're supposed to get when you know that your sausage is getting to the done part, you know. I hate those things, you know, like those events where people get together and cook sausage and bacon and eggs and all that, and they've got all these people, and a lot of the times it's obvious that none of them have ever cooked before, so you end up getting undercooked meat. So, you know, again, for that reason, especially with sausage, man, with pork, I only cook it myself. I mean, yeah, if I'm at a nice restaurant, I'll order it, but, you know, when you're going through a drive-thru and you're getting you a sausage and biscuit, there's a good chance you'll often find your sausage is not cooked properly. See, look at this. This is getting there. Again, this is how to cook sausage in a skillet, step by step. Sausage patty. And you can kind of push on it, and you can start to feel the doneness. See, look at that. Oh wow, that one is a little bit quite done. So I'm gonna take it off. That's why it's good to keep your flipping going. But even though it looks like it may have gotten too done, you'll see here in a minute how it's going to change color. See that? Just getting a good even cook here. See, don't let that freak you out. Because when you see these plated up here in a minute, you're going to see how perfect everything is. Almost there, man. You can feel it, you can push on it, you can be like, man, that feels great. See, now, turn our skillet off. Obviously, the skillet's still hot. You get these good in that butter there, that butter and that sausage grease. Look at that. And you're wondering if you know, for the sausage patty part, you go to the grocery store, often it's in the refrigerated food section where you'll find the bacon and the bologna and that kind of stuff. And what you can do is you can buy the patties like this that are pre-formed. That way you don't have to make your own sausage patties. Why y'all be like, man, this is lazy. Well, you do what you want to do. See, this skillet's off, but oh yeah, these are perfect. And what I'm going to do is plate them up, and then I'm going to show you up close when I cut into them so you can see how perfectly done these are. So I turned some lighting on, and so you can see how perfect that is. Not dried out, but just perfect. So that's how to cook sausage patties step by step. Subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all Chef IrixGuy's cooking videos. And be sure to expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order the skillet like I used online, as well as the garlic powder. Wait, no. What am I talking about? I didn't put any seasoning on these. You can find the skillet like I used, but I didn't use any seasoning. I just used butter. Thanks for your viewership. Subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all my videos. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.